In this lecture, I'm going to explain you concept of the branch. What is a branch? After all previous discussions about internal Git structure, about blobs, commits and so on, concept of the branch will be pretty easy to grasp for you. So what is branch? Branch is just text reference to specific commit, nothing else. Here I have summarized several key points of the branch. Default branch is master, and you already know that. Next, multiple branches can exist in the same repository, and you are able to switch between different branches. But of course, current branch may be only one, and by default this current branch is master branch. Next, pointers or references for all branches are located in the folder .git/refs/heads. And inside of it you'll find pointers for all branches that are created in your project. Next, current branch tracks new commits. What does it mean? For example, there are two branches, let's say master and new branch. Current branch is master, and for example, you have made several commits in this master branch. After that, you have switched to new branch and made 2 or 3 commits there. And after that, switch back again to master branch. And in master branch, you will not see commits that were made in new branch. That's because current branch tracks new commits, and those commits are not added to other branches. But there are ways to merge branches and rebase branches, and we will talk about those concepts later on as well. Next, branch pointer moves automatically after every new commit. But of course, name of the branch does not change. And you noticed that after second commit, we still remained in master branch. That's because master branch is our current branch. And when we make any new commit, you know that Git creates new commit object in Git repository. And this Git object has SHA-1 hash. And after committing changes, branch pointer will point to SHA-1 hash of this new commit object. And of course, we will observe it in practice. And finally, you can change branches using git checkout command. Just type git checkout and name of the branch you want to change to. And here I have added some examples of the names of the branches. For example, master is default branch name, new-branch is another example of the branch name, and here you see example of the branch name that is used more common in large companies when many developers collaborate on the same project. And for example, this number may mean number of the ticket that was assigned to specific developer. This prefix may represent short version of the project name or microservice name that is developed by a group of people. And please note that the branch name cannot have spaces inside of it. And if you'll try to create, for example, new branch with spaces, let's try that quickly, for example, in GitHub desktop. Click on this drop down, click new branch and type here name of the branch, for example, new space branch. You'll see that new branch will be created as new dash branch. Space will be replaced with dash. Okay, let's click cancel here. We don't want to create new branch now and go back to the list. That's all for main key points that are related to branches, and please note that current branch always tracks new commits and branch pointer moves automatically after every new commit. And now my question to you. At the moment we have two commits, first commit and second commit. And also both those commits were made in default current master branch. And now question, which commit master branch points now to? You are right, master branch now points to this second commit. It is last commit in the chain of commits. And picture is like this. Master branch is simply pointer to this second commit. Let's prove this. Let's get back to this list and let's have a look at contents of this folder. Let's go to terminal and here let's clear it first and cd to .git/refs/heads. Enter, and let's list files here, ls-l. Enter, and here we see only one file called master. Let's have a look at contents of this file. Cut, master. Enter. And contents are as simple as one line of text. And you guess what is this? It is SHA-1 hash of commit object. And in my case, this SHA-1 hash starts with 44E0. And it is exactly hash of the second commit, this one. In your case, SHA-1 hashes of both commits will be of course different due to different author and the different commit date. But in any case, contents of this file, master file in this folder, will be equal just to SHA-1 hash of specific commit, last commit that was made inside of this current branch, in our case master branch. Okay, now you see in practice that every branch is actually text wrapper around specific commit. And by creating different branches, you can create different references to different commits. And you can pretty easily jump between different commits. That's how branch looks under the hood. It is just pointer to specific commit. In our case, it is pointer to second commit. Now we will not create new branches, but please keep all those points in mind. We will create new branches pretty soon. Now it's time to talk about head. You remember that we have seen head in the output of git log command, here. And from current lecture you know that current branch is master and branch is wrapper around specific commit. And here you see that head is pointer to the branch. Let's talk about head in the next lecture. I'll see you there. Bye bye.